Video is one of the best ways for your organization to communicate what matters to your customers, clients, vendors, and your community in the most efficient and engaging way possible. You probably wouldn't be watching this video if you didn't agree with me. But do you struggle with actually getting your videos created and out there? Do you find the whole process of video production confusing? You keep facing one challenge after another one. And you know the answers are out there on some blog or YouTube video, but you're not sure where to start. We're here to help. That's why we wrote The Marketer's Guide to Video, to help solve video frustrations that marketers face. It's jam-packed with content, covering everything from developing a video strategy to the whole production cycle of planning for, shooting, and editing your videos, and even figuring out a distribution plan. It's a step-by-step guide to walk you through the whole video marketing process, from start to finish. By reading this book, you'll learn the ins and outs of video marketing from the pros. We actually interviewed over 20 industry professionals when writing it, and you'll be better equipped to create more video content for your business. No more wasted time or money figuring out it all on your own. You can actually jump right in and get started creating great content that gets results. Say goodbye to stress, frustration, and wasted resources. Get The Marketer's Guide to Video today. Available on Amazon in both print and ebook.